Hey y'all, Camo King here to show y'all some of the damage done to my house by Hurricane Matthew. If you can see, right over there, that right there used to be up there. That's the entire roof right there, the entire shingling on the roof. I'm gonna climb the ladder real quick, give you a view from the top. When I first got here, that section right there was hanging on this wire. I already climbed up and took it down. You can see there's nothing but bare wood over there on top of our den and garage. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. Y'all be safe.